Man, I hate the school library. It is so boring. I need something fun to do. But what? I know what to do. I am going to blow my air horn real loud. This'll be hilarious. Ha 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 ha. That was so hilarious.
Jordan, how dare you blow your air horn real loud in the library? Now you made the whole students scared. That's it. Go to Principal Roland's office now.
Oh! Jordan, were you the one that blew an air horn real loud in the library? Because I heard it from all the way here.
Yes, Mr. Rollins, I did it.
What? Jordan Parker, you know you scared the students who were studying. That's it. You are suspended for 353 months. Go home now.
Bark, bark, bark.
SHREES. Jordan Parker, how dare you get suspended for blowing your air horn at a school library? You know you just scared the whole students while they are studying. That it, you are grounded for 10 decades. Now go to your room, and I will tell your dad about this when he gets home.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.